Here are the 11 essentials most attractive items for spring for men over 30 years old. All right, we are not going to talk about trends here. So if that's what you came here for, then this is not it. But feel free to share the video though to whoever needs it. I am here to talk about the classic, versatile essentials in order for you to be ready and look best this spring season. So if this sounds interesting, then let's get started. I am going to break down the list to each category. So we have the essentials shirts, essentials bottom wear, must-have jackets or outerwear, essential shoes, and must-have accessories for this spring season. Let's start talking about must-have shirts for this spring season. We have button-down shirt and polo shirts. If you are 30 plus years old, then you need to have a button-down shirt in your closet. A very versatile piece to wear, easy to style with, like you could pair it with jeans, chino pants, put your spring jacket over it, wear with sneakers or loafers. Endless options. Now, one thing I would recommend though to spice up your overall look is to roll your sleeves over. Ladies love to see some exposed skins, especially your forearms. So this is one way to easily elevate your look. Go with white or blue button downs for starters, then slowly venture out to more spring colors. Next, if button down shirts are not really your type, then try polo shirts. I found that polo shirts are way easier to style with. I mean, it's effortless to style with, just like button down shirt. It's so versatile to wear it with. Great for office settings, casual events, salespeople wear this a lot, semi-formal events, and even lounging at home. Plus, I found polo shirts to be an age-appropriate style for men who are over 30. For this, you need to have fitted polo shirts, not overly tight. I am talking about polo shirts that accentuate your biceps and your upper body. So, if you want to ensure that you're always prepared for any occasions with confidence and style this spring season, then you must have some polo shirts in your closet. All right, next category, let's talk about bottom wear. Two essential spring bottom wear I'm going to talk about are jeans and chino pants. Okay, let's briefly talk about jeans. I am pretty sure if you're over 30, then you have worn jeans at some point. If not, I don't know what planet Earth you've been living on. Anyways, feel free to pick any jeans you like, but my recommendation are try to go with slim fitting jeans, as it typically gives enough room for your legs to breathe while giving a great silhouette look. And go for light to medium wash jeans on the day and wear dark wash jeans in the evening. All right, but if you're that person that hates wearing jeans, then you need to have at least on a pair of chino pants for this spring season. Men over 30 should have chino pants in their closet for several reasons. First, chino pants are an age-appropriate style that bridges the gap between casual and formal attire, making them suitable for different occasions. Second, chino pants easily provide a polished and put together look that shows maturity and confidence. And last, lots of chinos these days are comfortable to wear with. My recommendation is to pick a lightweight, breathable fabric to ensure comfort throughout the day. As for colors, go for navy, khaki, or off-white chino pant for versatility options. So now you have the top and bottom essentials. Now let's dive in with must-have shoes for this spring season. We have sneakers or trainers, however you want to call it, and loafers. First, let's talk about why I recommend sneakers for this spring. The main reason is that most sneakers nowadays offer unparalleled comfort and functionality in comparison to other shoes, making them ideal for everyday wear. Men over 30s are in that age where we prioritize comfort over look. So by having a great quality pair of sneakers, they tackle both of those. It's a win-win situation for us. And for second reason, sneakers, especially white sneakers, which I recommend by the way, are incredibly versatile and can be styled in a variety of ways. Wear with polo shirt and jeans or button-down shirt with chinos, as I mentioned earlier. Either way, there are tons of options to wear sneakers at any occasion. On the other hand, we have loafers. Now, this type of shoes may not be suitable for many men out there. Main reason or things that I usually hear from my friends or other men are not manly looking shoes. My God, I don't know who started that, but personally, I'd rather wear loafers than sneakers all day because I could easily put them on and take them off. Lazy man, raise your hand. They are considered slip-on shoes, and other reasons that I would wear loafers for the spring season is that loafers offer sophisticated and timeless aesthetic that easily elevates any outfit. Wear with a blazer, casual t-shirt, button down, going for a business meeting and or for a dinner date. Endless options, and if you have a full day event where you need transition from casual to formal event, then loafers will do the job for you to keep you stylish all day. Two brands I personally recommend are Hoodie's because their loafers are freaking comfortable, zero breaking in, and washable. Next brand is the Beckett Feminine, more polished look, high quality leather made, easy to break in, and just simply looks good. So now you got your essential tops, bottom wear, and shoes. Let's move down the list with my top jackets or outerwear recommendation for this spring season. Men over 30 should have this timeless outerwear in their closet. A bomber jacket, a hoodie, cardigan, and a blazer. I highly recommend bomber jackets for this spring as it instantly upgrades your look and they have the perfect blend of style and versatility. Wear with white t-shirt underneath, jeans or chino pants, and white sneakers, and you are good to go. Plus, bomber jackets provide practicality and functionality as most of them are wind and rain resistant. Go for navy or black bomber jackets if you haven't owned one. Next outerwear is hoodie. This is probably your go-to or my go-to outerwear where I don't know what to put on. A great layering piece that is perfect for running errands, lounging at the home, or engaging in any outdoor activities. Fit-wise, I prefer oversized than form-fitting ones, but either or, they both work. It's just a matter of your preference. I assume everyone owns a hoodie now. If not, then go buy one from Uniqlo or Todd Snyder. Third outerwear that I recommend for this spring season is the cardigan. My favorite layering piece to wear when I want to look classy, sophisticated. During winter, I would go for heavy fabric, but for spring season, definitely go with lightweight fabric. Cardigan offer a sense of sophistication and maturity that complement the refined taste and confidence of men over 30. Putting this on is like taking off Clark Kent's glasses, becoming Superman. I mean, at least that's what I feel when I wear a cardigan, specifically a shawl cardigan, because it helps me boost my confidence and I feel like a respectable gentleman. Whether worn casually with jeans or dressed up with chino pants, a cardigan adds a touch of elegance and refinement to any style. Last outerwear on the list is the blazer. Now, this is where I say that not everyone is going to have this, and this is why I put it as a last piece. I say this because I rarely wear a blazer during any season. However, it's good to have one in your closet because you never know when you're gonna need it. And if you go to a special event or a special date, wearing a well-fitted blazer instantly elevates the overall look, projecting professionalism and confidence. I'm not gonna say it's easy to put an outfit together because it requires confidence to pull this off, but I would safely say to put on a polo shirt or button-down shirt, wear it with jeans or chino pants, pair it with loafers, and add your favorite blazer as a finishing touch, refined look and sophisticated, and I guarantee you, you'll stand out during the gatherings. You get tons of compliments, especially if they haven't seen you in a blazer before. All right, looks like we nailed down the essentials wardrobe for this spring season. Now, all we have to talk about are the must-have accessories, okay? I'm gonna briefly talk about it because I don't like editing long videos, so here we go. First, you must have a watch. Literally any watch, just avoid those G-Shocks. Kids like watches, okay? Stick with timeless, classic metal watch band or genuine leather band like you see in this video. Second, you must have a great cologne or perfume. Personal recommendation are Versace Eros or Eros, Spice Bomb from Victor and Rolf, and recently acquired the Menace from Henry Rose. They are all great scents and will last throughout the day. Last accessories that you must have this spring are sunglasses. I'm not gonna talk about which shades will look good on you. There are a couple of videos out there that talk about that, but I'm just gonna say to rock any shades you like. But the main reason why I'm recommending this is to protect your eyes from the sun and instantly upgrade your overall look. Well, those are my top 11 essentials for men over 30s. What do you think about the list? Is it good enough or am I missing something? Comment below and let me know. And as always, just stay safe and stay stylish. You have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.